Hi, I'm Keith, your chief problem solver, and I've got some exciting news and a request for help from you. The exciting bit first. I have been invited to participate in a grant funded opportunity to share my more than 2 decades of video skills with entrepreneurs and nonprofit leaders just like you at no charge. Now, here's where I need your help. The grant is pretty modest, and I'm the kind of person that when I have an opportunity like this, I want to get every ounce of value out of it for you. So I need to hear from you. I need to know in advance what are the biggest challenges, obstacles, pain points that you're experiencing when it comes to video content creation so that I can be so prepared for all of the challenges that my clients are going to bring to me that we can get the most out of our very short amount of time together. So, if you are struggling with the technical aspect of it, whether it's what camera to buy or how to get the best quality audio, I want to know that. If you are struggling with video editing and trying to figure out the best and most cost effective way to edit your videos and make them look intentional and make them resonate with your target audiences, I want to know that. Or if being in front of the camera is gut wrenchingly scary for you, I want to know that too. My goal is to compile a comprehensive resource kit so that we can do a lot of prep work before the one-on-one sessions that I have with clients, and I can make these resources available not just to the people that I'm able to serve through this grant funded opportunity, but to nonprofit leaders and entrepreneurs worldwide at no charge. And I'm going to need your help with this. I want to make this as robust and impactful as possible. So drop a comment, send me a DM, or if you're really committed to helping out your fellow entrepreneurs and nonprofit leaders, use the QR code at the end of this video to complete the questionnaire that I've created and help me build out a knowledge base that I can share for absolutely no charge to help people like you to make this world a better, more compassionate place by getting our stories out there, telling them authentically, and doing it in a way that's sustainable and doesn't break your budget and doesn't cause you absolute terror. All right, thanks so much. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let's make something amazing together.